Now, without actually writing the molecular orbital configuration, let us see which is para, which is dia, which is paramagnetic, and which is diamagnetic. There is a simple principle in which you have only one capital letter, and no number. No unpaired electron. If there is no unpaired electron, it is dia. Yes, unpaired electron. If there is an unpaired electron, it is para. And copper is an exception. I'll tell you what I mean by one capital letter. That is what I mean by element or elemental ion, Na plus, like that. Okay. Na, 3s1, unpaired electron is present, therefore para. Sodium is paramagnetic, sodium atom is paramagnetic, like that. Al plus, aluminium plus, one capital letter. Oh, I have only one capital letter. It's an ion. Element, elemental ion. If you write down the electronic configuration, it is 12. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. The last electron is 3s2. No unpaired electron, therefore it is dia. All are paired electrons. So no unpaired electron, therefore dia. So Al plus is diamagnetic. What about copper? Cu, 3d10, 4s1. It has an unpaired electron, but still it is diamagnetic, because you have 5 pairs of electrons versus one unpaired, and this diamagnetic property dominates in copper. And this is for more than one capital letter, in which you have more than one capital letter and a number, in which you have a number. Total number of electrons, you count the total number of electrons. Odd number, it is paramagnetic. Even, it is dia. Total number of electrons, odd, para, even, dia. O2, B2, N2, 2 minus, and S2 are exceptions. Let us see what do you mean by that. CO, carbon monoxide. Is it paramagnetic or diamagnetic? You just count the total number of electrons. Carbon atomic number 6 plus oxygen, 6 plus 8, 14. Even, therefore dia. NO, 7 plus 8, 15. 7 plus 8, 15. It is odd number, therefore it is paramagnetic. Like that, CO, NO, you can find it anybody, O2 plus. So there are two rules. Here you have two capital letters, means I don't want to call it a compound, because CO is a compound, NO plus is, strictly speaking, is not a compound, NO plus is an ion. So let us apply in more cases. Mn2 plus, is it a one capital letter case or more than one capital letter only? Manganese, elemental ion, because strictly speaking I can't call this as elemental ion, it is a compound ion formed from a compound, NO plus. Therefore this is formed from an element only, one element only. Now Mn2 plus, what is the configuration? 3d5. Manganese, it is argon, 3d5, 4s2, When you remove these 2 electrons, you will get Mn2 plus. Mn2 plus 3d5. So you have 5 unpaired electrons, and therefore it is paramagnetic.